In this video, you'll learn how to turn Notion pages into image blocks. This process allows you to create static representations of your Notion content, which can be useful for various purposes, such as sharing or presenting information visually. Start by navigating to Notion and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the specific page you wish to convert into an image. Before proceeding, ensure that all content on the page is finalized, as image blocks will capture a static snapshot of what is currently displayed. Consider where you plan to use the image, as this will guide your next steps in the conversion process. Next, open the page menu settings. This can typically be found in the upper right corner of the Notion interface. Look for an option labeled Export or something similar. When you select this option, you will need to choose the image format for your export. If available, select a format such as PNG or JPEG. Pay attention to any additional export settings that may be presented, as these can affect the quality and dimensions of the exported image. After adjusting the settings to your preference, proceed to download the image file to your device. This action creates the image from your Notion page. After downloading the image, navigate to the Notion page where you want to insert the image block. Once there, find the option to add a new block. You should see a variety of block types available. Select the image block option from the list. This will allow you to upload the exported image you just created. Click on the designated area or button to upload your image file. Once the upload is complete, you may need to resize the image block depending on how you want it to appear on the page. You can click on the corners of the image block to adjust its dimensions. This resizing enables you to ensure that the image fits well within the layout of your Notion page and serves as an effective visual reference. And there you have it. You have successfully converted a Notion page into an image block. This method allows for a clean and visually appealing way to present your information. Thanks for watching and see you soon.